Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. This will be a little bit more in-depth, Cancer. This time I'm going to see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings. Cancer will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Cancer, let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Cancer. Newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your mutual energies, your dialogue message cards, etc. For the duration of the reading, Cancer, I will be calling one side person A, one side person B. So if this is your story, you'll know which side you resonate best with. So bottom of my deck, Cancer, I have the Three of Wands in reverse. So either somebody is thinking of coming back, Cancer, or maybe somebody has turned their back on the other person. I don't know. I'll have to clarify the cards to see what's happening here. Let's take two action cards, one for person A and one for person B. All right. So let's put this here and let me look at the cards. Okay, Cancer, from what I see, somebody does want to come forward. They want to be emotionally open. They want to come and maybe, tell person B that they are now ready or they love person B, but they're fearing that person B may not be very welcoming. Maybe they feel maybe they don't love them anymore, or maybe that they've drained them out totally and they won't be open to, this offer of love that they want to bring. From the other side, I do see that person B has been very bored lately, very sad, lonely, feeling rejected, not really very happy with the offers coming towards them, and maybe feeling that, hey, I've been dealing with somebody who tricked me. Right? Literally, this person, maybe this is the same person who's wanting to come back, but person B feels this was a trickster. They were just creating illusions. They didn't mean anything by whatever they did or said in the past, and that's making person B feel very sad and lonely at the moment. So before I clarify the rest of the cards, Cancer, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification, okay? So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. And Cancer, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can email me there. Okay. Let's take a few more from another deck, Cancer. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person spirit. All right, good to go, Cancer. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, you're much more attractive to me when you're empowered rather than when you're insecure. I got a whiff of your scent. It made me smile remembering you. I pray for you all the time and do healing work on your behalf. I have a need to always be right. Sorry, I gave you a hard time. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. I did not expect you to enter my life when you did. I wasn't ready. Soon I plan on returning, hoping it can work this time. See, I told you somebody wants to return, Cancer. I've been hurt so badly, I don't know if I can really love again. Alright, so Cancer, these are some of your messages. Let's start with your reading, and I'm going to first start with an angel blessing card, as always, and see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or message for Cancer. Oh, two of them. Heaven is watching over you and Mother. I think it's time to nurture yourself a little bit. I mean, there is a lot of protection around you, and this Mother card's been coming out for a lot of zodiacs. Either your mother could be a big help at this time. Some of you could be connecting, maybe taking advice. But for me, when I get this Mother card, for me at least, I always feel it's almost like the universe is saying, hey, you're not alone, you're in our care, and this is the time for you to nurture and take care of yourself, just like a mother would to a child. Alright, so heaven is watching over you. Here also I have a mother and a child, see. That's how protected you are. So Cancer, let me see if my battery is not troubling me. 1 second. Let me just put the battery on. Okay. Alright, so Cancer, let's start your reading. The first card here for person A. I'm only going to concentrate first on person A, then I'll go to person B, okay? So person, you could be on either side, like I said, you would know. So for person A, why are you in the Knight of Cups? Let's give the mic to this knight and let's see what he wants to say. He, she, whatever. Knight of Cups. Okay. Knight of Cups says, I never put in the work earlier. I never really put in the work earlier. That's why things fell apart between the two of us. But now I want to return. I want to bring back some justice. I want to balance the scales out and do something which I haven't done in the past. But there's a Queen of Cups in reverse as well. So what's that, Spirit? Oops. Somebody is in love. This card popped out, I popped it back, and it popped out again. So this knight, I think, is recognizing that this was my soulmate, and maybe they disregarded this queen, and yes, they have a lot of regret and a lot of sorrow, a lot of guilt that they never put in the work when they should have. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? Why is person A feeling that, you know, this is my soulmate and now maybe I've lost their love and I didn't put in work and things are just not working out. I want to return back and heal things between us. Why are they feeling this way? What happened in the recent past? Seven of Pentacles. I think this person did not invest or invested very little. Very, very little, I guess. Somebody was disappointed. Maybe the partner was that, you know, they were not putting in enough time, energy or emotion into this connection. Could have led to a fight. Some angry words could have been said as well. Knight of Swords. Some very immature behavior. Knight of Swords. Yes, Seven of Pentacles again. So I think after this fight, one person probably went off for their own healing, and whoever this person is, person A, has been watching and waiting for maybe this fight to end, or, you know, maybe some healing to come back automatically, or maybe wait for the right timing as to when they can come back and heal things between the two of you. So there could have been something, maybe an argument or a fight, or maybe they said something or behaved in a very rash manner, and yes, never really invested, never put in the work, which could have led to this fight. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? Nine of Pentacles in reverse. What's that, Spirit? Nine of Pentacles. What's this Nine of Pentacles for person A? Why do they see this connection, or person B? My God, Five of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. They feel too much time has gone by. There's been too much delay already, and they want to stop this stress and tension that they are going through. Maybe they don't even want to be single anymore, or they don't want to see their person being single anymore. Seeing their person maybe single stresses them out. Whatever said and done, person A is right now feeling like this. Five of Pentacles. Feeling totally abandoned, lost without person B. Feeling now they are feeling that they are in lack. They have nobody to love them anymore, maybe. Let's see. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. What's this Five of Pentacles? Five of Pentacles. One more. They feel that person probably sees them. Yes, they know that their person is the perfect person for them. Beautiful, kind, loving, nurturing, the perfect spouse. But they also feel that now this Queen of Pentacles has probably dropped them. Why? Because they feel the impression they've given about themselves is of a player. Maybe somebody who's been very in and out of their, the person B's life, always created more drama, never been, anybody authentic, or never taken responsibility of the connection. So they're kind of feeling that the way they left person B out in the cold is exactly what person B is probably doing to them, and they're feeling too much delay is happening now. They just want to be over the stress. Or they feel maybe person B is not stressing about them anymore and has already judged them. Yes, they do wish to return now. Person A is dreaming of the day they can, regain person B's trust maybe, and offer this equal give and take. Have a balanced connection once again. Am I right, Spirit? What does person A want? Yes, they want to return, Spirit is saying. So it says, I've already told you, didn't I? Gave you this as the overall energy. I told you they want to return. So what action person A will finally take? I'll open later, Cancer. Let's go to the other side and see what's happening here. Person B, you feel Four of Cups, feeling disappointed with the Magician in reverse. You feel you've been fooled by this person. You feel this person is a trickster. They fooled you. They made you, it was always their way or the highway. They always made you feel like you're the loser, you're not important enough. And maybe there's no communication between the two of you either right now. So all the person B is imagining the worst case scenario, that hey, there is no fresh beginning coming from person A's end. Maybe they made a big fat fool of me. Maybe they tricked me, and I feel like such a loser for even trusting them. This is how they always made me feel, that I was not good enough, especially now because there's no communication between the two of you. Person B is feeling a bit rejected, dejected, sad, lonely. Why is that, person B? Why do you feel like this, Four of Cups? They're feeling very burdened right now with this connection. They feel, what was the point? I'm the one who did all the work. I'm the one who carried all the burden in this connection. This person just flitted in and out, made me feel bad about myself, fooled me. And this kind of burdens me that, after all that, I'm still sitting here waiting for them to take action, and maybe it's time for me to release this person. Maybe it's just time for me to release this toxic person who's so much into themselves. It's all about them, about their passions, their goals, their dreams. And yes, I find them very attractive, but maybe it's time for me to release them now. It's no point waiting around for somebody who never puts in the work. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Person B was very hopeful. They thought person A was going to make all their wishes come true. They were very, very, very hopeful. But then I think something ended. Yes, the minute I said that, I got the world card. So person B was very, very hopeful. They felt this is the what I've been praying and wishing for. And yes, they were hoping for a brand new chapter, brand new cycle to start with person A. But then this is what happened. Okay, they felt betrayed. They felt devastated at something. I don't know what this was. Let me check. Let's take one more card for the star card first. What's the star card, Spirit, for person B? Something that made them feel very upset and angry. Something happened here which made them stop in their tracks and probably upset person B a lot. What was it, Spirit? Ten of Swords in reverse. What happened in the recent past to person B? Maybe there was some communication, some very head over heart kind of communication from person A's end. Maybe they said, I am not interested. I don't want to fight for this connection. Right now I'm not ready, or like the card said, I wasn't ready for a connection then. So there could have been some clear communication which came from person A's end to person B about putting this connection to a halt, or maybe it came to a halt after this communication of person B, this being very matter of fact, maybe very cold, right? And person B's all wishes got dashed. So how does person B now see this connection, Spirit? Person B sees their person as the King of Swords in reverse now. This is like a very cold, harsh, rude, mean person. How could you do this to me? How could you have said the things you said to me? Right? You lied to me all this while. You betrayed my trust. That's what person B is saying. So this is how they're seeing person A, that they are a magician in reverse and a King of Swords in reverse, a narcissist who took my love for granted. They feel there is no more love left in this connection. Well, that's what person B is thinking, that they don't love them at all. King of Swords in reverse. Why does person B see? One more. Okay, this was sideways. I'm going to leave it sideways. One more. As much as person B can curse person A as much as they want, I think heart of heart person B really does still love person A. I mean, they think of person B as the King of Swords in reverse, but then just see what happens after that. They still love person B to death, okay? They still feel, if they do message, if they do come back, maybe still there's hope for a 10 of Cups. I do want to reconcile with them and, celebrate life with them. But as of now, maybe they're still wondering whether that message will come or not. Okay? So kind of losing hope. Ace of Cups in reverse. Ace of Cups in reverse. Ace of Cups in reverse. Somebody is waiting. Somebody is still waiting. As much as they feel maybe the love is lost or it was never there from person A's side, I think person B is still somewhere wishing, hoping, waiting, hasn't moved on. They're still kind of in no man's land at the moment, pun intended. Okay, they are still. This was their first card, and this is now whatever I'm ending. They're sitting and kind of just not feeling happy and, waiting for maybe something or somebody to come back maybe and heal this broken heart of theirs. So let's see what actions we can expect now. Person A, will you take any action? And may I request you, my Cancer gang, if you're still here, to give a thumbs up if this has resonated till now. It really helps the videos to circulate, I believe, and it makes me feel good as well to know how many of you I've connected with. Okay, thank you. And newbies, don't forget to subscribe if you're still here. I'm going to do your next reading on Saturday for the Love Bite. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that an action from person A's side, Spirit? Why is that an action? Okay. Person A is now realizing why they lost the chance for their Ten of Pentacles. This person has taken a step back to go into reflection. Now, they are now realizing that they were the cause for this tower to fall. I think this person does want to rebuild now, but this period of time, I think the universe has put them into a little bit of reflection mode as to think about what they did. How they maybe cheated, lied, or snuck away from person B. And whatever they are realizing now about their own behavior is not making person A feel happy at all. They're somewhere fearing that they've lost their chance to, have this Ten of Pentacles, the happily ever after. So are they going to sleep for a while and think, go into reflection mode this entire week, Spirit, or can we expect any action from them as well? Any action this week for person A? Oh yes, here they are. At least they're planning to. Some of you, somebody will be coming. Okay, this was their first card, I think also. Yes, the Knight of Cups. They may just send you a text or a flirty message, or just to kind of check out whether person B is still interested. Of course, time is fluid. I'm hoping it will happen in the next 7 days. But believe it or not, some of them have gone into reflection mode. So it depends on in their individual cases of how badly they've hurt person B. But they will reach out. They will reach out. I think they're just preparing. First, they have to understand their own mistakes so that they don't come back with that same energy, Cancer. Okay? I don't know whether this is you who's wanting to come back to person B, or person B, this is you expecting person A to come back, but they have full intention of returning back to you. That much I can assure you. So person B, what about you? Will you take any action? Person B is still very upset. They are in the Queen of Wands in reverse energy even now. They will not take action, nor do they trust, but heart of hearts, they want their Ten of Pentacles. They may not show it. They may show upset and anger right now. They may not even know it consciously. Maybe consciously person B is telling themselves, I don't believe them, they are this, they are that. But heart of hearts, I think person B, their subconscious mind is still waiting for that offer of a happily ever after. Of course, they've become a bit stronger now. They are going to... One second, let me see. Person B, action from your end? Okay, so person B is saying this to me, okay? Person B says, hey, listen, okay, I do love them, yes, but this time I'm going to have some rules, some boundaries put up. I'm going to ask them to choose this way or that way. Are they going to come back and do the right thing as the King of Pentacles, take responsibility of this connection, be the correct person for me? Otherwise, if they're not going to choose that, then I'm not ready to give them a second chance now. Okay, so that's what person B is saying. Before I'm going to take one more card just to make sure that I've got my, action cards right. So person A, I'm giving you one more chance. Will you take action towards person B? What action will that be? What action? Oh my God. The ones who haven't given me a thumbs up as yet, I think it's time now. This is the action they want to take. Four of Wands. They want a happily ever after with person B. So person B, let me give you one card as well. Action for person B. Person B is not trusting at the moment. Person B feels no, that can't be true. I've always lost whenever I've tried with this person. I've always lost. I know they're going to come back and they're going to emotionally manipulate me again. They have never been open with me. Are they going to be open now? I don't trust it anymore. I'm sure they're going to just emotionally manipulate me and make me feel like a loser again. But this is all mind-based chatter, person B. Heart of hearts, you know exactly what you want, and that's exactly what person A is bringing. Okay? So remember, heaven is watching over you. They say, energy flows where intention goes. So make sure your intention is exactly what you want. So that's all I have for you, Cancer. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.